Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be walking through the habit trackers in both Google Sheets and Excel. If you have already purchased this template, thank you so much for your order. And if you've stumbled across the video and you're looking for a good habit tracker, I'm going to include a link to the template below. Feel free to purchase and follow along as well. So right now I have Google Sheets open. I'm also going to be hopping to Excel throughout this video just to walk through couple different features in both. But feel free to open up either Excel or Google Sheets and follow along as well. So this first tab right here is your dashboard. This is basically going to be your automatic summary of how you're doing across all of your goals, which is really nice. It's going to total your goals up here for you. And then it's also going to show you how many daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly goals you have here. It'll also break down those daily through yearly goals in a nice pie chart, which is a good visual. And then this goals progress to completion chart right here. This is going to show you how many goals in each category you have completed. Whether it's daily through yearly as well. So as you make changes in the other tabs throughout your template, this is going to automatically update for you just to give you a nice one-stop shop visual into all of your goals. The next tab I'm going to hop into is your goals tab. This is really going to be where you want to get started by adding your goals because this is going to populate everything else. So this is going to be where you want to start first. I do have some goals in here just for the sake of example to kind of show you how everything populates and works. But when you do open up the template, feel free to just highlight right here. You can click delete and that's going to clear everything out. You can do the same thing for the notes column. I'm going to undo that just for the sake of example, but it's really easy to just clear this out. For the goals themselves, I typically kind of try to keep it short a little bit. And then if you have more things that you want to write down for the goals, this notes column comes in handy as well. The next column is going to be your goal type. You'll see I have 6 just standard types in here right now, but these are also editable. So they're fully customizable. And to do that, I'm going to walk through it in Google Sheets right here. And then I'm also going to hop over to Excel and show you how to edit everything there as well. So go ahead and click this edit button if you're in C4. Go ahead and click that. And it's going to pull over this data validation rules on the right-hand side for you. And you can just click in here and type over it. You can change colors if you want to add colors to it. And then if you have other goal types, you can go ahead and click the add another item, type in anything you want. And then once you've made all of your customizations, you're going to click done. This screen is going to pop up next. You're going to want to click apply to all. That's really important because then it's going to not only add item 1 to C4, but it's also going to add item 1 to the entire column C, which is really important. So that's how to add the goal types in Google Sheets. I am going to hop over to Excel and show you how to do it there as well. So on the goals tab, navigate to C4, and then take your mouse and then drag all the way down to the end of the spreadsheet. So drag all the way down to C120, click on data in the top navigation here, and then click on data validation. That's going to bring up this screen for you, and you're going to see that all of the goal types are right here in the little source area, and they are separated by a comma without any spaces on either side of the comma. That's really important because if you throw a space in there, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do at the end here is I'm going to type in item over here. There it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And what that's going to do is it's not only going to add the item to C4, but then if you come anywhere down in the entire column C, you're going to see that item appear as well. So that's how to do it in Excel. Let me hop back to Google Sheets and just kind of continue walking through here as well. The next column is going to be the cadence. So it's going to be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So feel free to make any edits there. And then the notes column we went over as well. The next column is going to be your daily tracker. And what's really nice about daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly trackers is it's actually going to bring in all of your goals from the previous goals tab. So you'll see save $5 daily is a financial goal. It's going to automatically pull that here. It's going to pull the goal type for you. And then if you scroll all the way over to the right-hand side, it's also going to pull in your notes for each goal too. So there's no need to rewrite anything. It's all going to populate there as well. So in the Google Sheets version, what you're going to do for the daily goals is you're just going to check these for every day you have completed. There are 365 days in here, so feel free to track for an entire year. And then over here, it's going to calculate how many goals you have completed, how many days you have completed for each goal, and then the percentage of completion for the goal, assuming that you would want to do this every single day for a year. And then it's also going to automatically calculate this completed goal as well up here for you. So that's actually going to be out of all of the daily goals you have, how close are you to completing all of them, which is really helpful. So that populates as you continue to check boxes. You're going to see that everything's moving right here as well for you. Hopping over to Excel. what you're going to do for the tracker, and let me scroll all the way over here, is you are actually going to type an X for the days you've completed. Excel does not have those fancy little checkboxes that Google Sheets has, but when you type in an X for each day that you've completed, and feel free to leave the other days blank for the days that you don't complete, it's going to work the exact same over here. It's automatically going to calculate the days that you have completed, the percentage, and it's going to pull in your notes and your goals and the type and everything else for you there as well. So this X is going to apply in Excel for weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. You're just going to type in the X for all of your goals, and then everything works well behind the scenes. So hopping back to Google Sheets here, the weekly tracker, you're going to have 52 weeks in here. So feel free to scroll all the way over again to see your percentages over here for you. The monthly tracker, you are going to see the 12 months out of the year, and you're going to be able to check those off as well. And then you're going to see that it automatically totals in the completed area and the percentage area too for you. Quarterly is going to work the same, except you have 4 quarters, as you can probably guess. It's going to automatically calculate there for you too. And then yearly is going to be a yearly goal that you have. And you would just check it off if you completed it that year. So what's really nice about this is it allows you to track anything from a small goal that you want to do every single day to a big goal that you would accomplish just once a year. Everything is really color coordinated across the Cadence section over here. So you're going to see that that all matches the dashboard. Everything's really customizable. If you're using Google Sheets, you can use it on any device. If you're using Excel, it's compatible with all your Microsoft programs as well. So this is an overview for you. I hope that this helps. Thank you again for your order, and I will see you in the next video.